So Alton Park in the MX-5, I thought I was quite quick, but I'm not as quick as I thought I was because I'm 5th on the grid. So this could be a bit difficult. So the guy to my right has got a jump start. And this guy didn't get away at all. So this could be a net third here.
Car right. Clear. Car right. Stay on the left.
Just need to be careful. Everyone's very racy, I think. So he's gone off,
Stay
look.
on the left. Clear. You're on the left. 3 wide. Right side.
And this guy's just run into the back of me, which is very
You're
helpful.
on the right.
This is a corner you can't go around flat out. He's gone off, look.
The next car's the leader. Go right. There's an incident.
And the leader's gone off. What the hell? I'm the leader. This guy is very racy, isn't he? In this Red Bull car. More contact. Jesus. How did that happen? Oh. What a start. Okay. He's very racy, this I was racing against him in practice.
Car right.
And he was very racy then. He was a little bit quicker than me, but I out-qualified him, so...
Stay
Oh,
on the
for
left.
God's sake.
Clear on the right.
Fuck's sake.
Right
Oh,
side.
I don't believe it. I mean, it's like...
Car right.
Oh, that good work. Yeah, he was very, like... I mean, that wasn't my fault, was it? I don't know. That feels... Well, we'll watch the replay, but that doesn't feel like that was my fault.
10 minutes.
I gave him plenty of room. He went too fast and he's drifted into me, hasn't he? Bastard.
7.022.
Well, it's been a chaotic start, let's put it that way. Can we do anything? At least I haven't got any damage. Here's anyway, I don't know how many X's I've got. Feels like I got a load because he just kept on hitting me, that guy, didn't he? 1 X. So it's not as bad as it could have been. Oh my God. I'll make a good thumbnail picture, I guess. I was up on my 2 wheels for a fair bit there. Here goes somebody else. Can we get anywhere near the front? Where are we? 9th. And we were leading. Someone coming up behind pretty quick. That was the guy that was on pole. He was quicker than everyone. So he'll be back past, I should think. And then maybe we'll try and follow him through a few. Let's hope he doesn't try and overtake there. No, he's a bit more sensible. Oh,
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the right. Go left. Go right.
bloody hell. Did I get hit by somebody? Yeah, I did. Somebody hit me. Oh my God. What the hell?
53.759. Right side. Still there.
I mean, there's just no room.
Clear on the right.
There's no room, mate. What the hell are you doing?
Got a penalty. We're cutting the course. Right side. Clear on the right.
I mean, he may be fast, but there was no room there. I need to ease off, which I think I've done, but yeah. Jesus Christ. I had a hell of a job last week in the MX-5s around Charlotte, but I thought I'd be okay this week. Clearly not.
There's an incident ahead. Go right, go left.
Right, well, I'm taking that. Jesus. What a race. Oh dear, people are not happy. Where am I then? 6th again. Oh, it doesn't feel brilliant. I'll say that. It's a 7X. I don't think any of those were my fault. Particularly not the one where he was flying over my head. Jeez. Okay, we're going to catch anyone. We're 5.5 seconds back, so, and they're going quick, so I don't think we will.
07354.
At least we can get around this corner safely on our own now. Is there going to be any more action ahead, I wonder? Well, at least we can see them. Yeah, 5.5 seconds. They're going quicker than us, I think. See if we can make up any time. We can see them all ahead, can't we?
5 minutes to go.
Made a bit of a mess of that, didn't I? Anyway. This guy behind looks pretty quick. I think he might catch me. Let's get that feeling. We'll see. What's the gap now then? 5.5 still. Be nice to catch up a little bit, wouldn't it?
.353. You've just set your fastest lap of the session.
I was in the 52s in qualifying, so I don't know if the car's got some damage or what.
You got a slow car on the left. Car stop on the left.
2 more off. Oh, that's that guy that took me out. Oh, I'm pleased about that. That was the guy at the start who took me out. Bit of karma there then. And a bit of karma for the other guy that took me out. So it's karma. MX-5 karma today, isn't it? Oh, bit wide there. Another off track. Trying to keep away from this guy behind. He's closing. Really would like to stay ahead of him. So where are we? 4th now. Okay, well, I guess I qualified 5th and I'm 4th, so can't really complain about that apart from all the bloody damage. Which is a little bit frustrating. Anyway, we're going a bit quicker now. Whether it's quick enough, I don't know. It's definitely closing in, isn't he? It's into the 52s now, which is a bit better.
52.95. New fastest lap for you. You're in 4th position.
4th position. Yeah, he's definitely closing, isn't he? He's got more speed than me. He's quicker than me around there, certainly. And through that. Yeah, I think I'm going to be in a battle here. 1 lap to go, I think, after this one. And he's going to be on me.
White flag this time.
So have I got enough?
1.882.
Have I got enough for 1 more lap?
53.022.
So it's here he's quicker than me, certainly. And this next section. So I've gone as quick as I've gone round there. And round there, more or less. He's right with me though. It's going to be close. Depends if he wants to make a lunge somewhere, doesn't it? Is he going to want to make a lunge? Half a second. This is very tense. Oh, I was slow on the power there. Got a bit of a slide on. Is he close enough? I mean, this is his last opportunity. I don't want to brake too late and then let him in. We've done it. We've done it. It was close, but we've done it.
You got it. Slow car on the right.
Wow.
Car stopped on the right.
Well, I didn't think I'd get 4th there, I have to say. That was a good... Well, I say, was it a good race?
It's over.
Disappointing to be hit so many times, but let's look at all of those incidents, shall we? Okay, then here's the start. So you can see the guy to my right has already rolled forward. Look, he's rolling forward. So he's jumped the start, I think. We got a fantastic start. This guy ahead just didn't really get going. He's defending the wrong side and defended me rather than the other guy. So, yeah, that wasn't good. And then it all sort of got a bit hectic here, didn't it then? So, yeah, I get hit quite hard, I think, by this Red Bull car coming out the next corner. It was all getting a little bit tight. Obviously, I'm defending the inside. So that guy goes off. So he's gone way off the car. This Red Bull just like, well, I don't know, am I not supposed to be there? I'm not quite sure what he's doing. And then what do we do? We're coming around here. So the green car's gone. I mean, he's got the race won, hasn't he? And then he just completely stuffs up this corner. And he's off. And we were lucky. Oh, I really struggled to just get inside. And we avoided him. So that was good. And then what happens? So we've got the Red Bull car again harassing me. Not quite touching. Obviously, we go through here. We're okay. I think we've done a decent job through there. We've got a little bit of breathing space. So I've done a half-decent job through the chicane, and now we're coming onto the fast bit. And this is where this Red Bull car gets a good run. So he's coming up the inside, and this is where we have the first crash. So I can see him. I'm keeping to the right. Well, is that netcode? I don't know. Didn't feel like netcode. Should we have another look? What was that then? I mean, so I'm on the outside. He's on the inside. I've given him plenty of room. He's coming up the inside. I mean, it's a difficult place to overtake. I've braked. Yeah, he's just drifted. What? I mean, look at him. He's just coming left. I've got to turn in, and look at all the space he's taken. And I guess that's a bit of netcode. Yeah, I mean, we'll give it as a racing incident, I guess. But anyway, then where do we get to? Then we've got this spectacular crash up ahead, so I could sort of see him. I didn't know where things were going. And then we got this car in the air. Oh, blimey. We were lucky there. Then what's next? So what's next is we've got that green car that was leading that stuffed up that corner, and he's behind me, and he swoops inside, goes for the move. I've got to make the corner. He hits the curb and just bangs into me. Yeah, I don't think any of these are my fault. I really don't. But anyway, let's look at the issues for everyone else. So we're back to the start then, and we'll just see what happened to people. So that guy's just gone off there. I'm getting hit by the Red Bull car. We've seen that one. So he just comes in just too fast and gets it all wrong, doesn't he? And we were all very lucky to miss him. He has to sit when he's reversing out of the way, which is a good idea. And then what have we got? So this is me in the lead. We've got these cars behind all sort of pushing for position. I'm guessing they're going to concertina, are they? Just touch each other a little bit. Yeah, looks like it. Then what have we got? Someone behind just drifting. Oh, unlucky. Yeah, that's a mistake. And then what have we got? So I've already been bashed off the track by this point. And then, yeah, a bit of karma. He gets hit there, the guy that hit me. And what have we got? Is this the two? I mean, yeah, there wasn't enough room, was there? I mean, Christ. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. No, not good. Yeah, he was unlucky. Nothing he could do about it, was there? And that was the guy that then... And oh, dear. Wow. Well, I've got plenty of choice from a thumbnail, haven't I? Oh, dear. I don't know what that guy's done, but he's dead by the looks of it. Oh, flipping it. He's going to turn into him. And then the green car crashes again, doesn't it? And I sneak through and get past both of them. So, yeah, well, I don't feel sorry for you, mate, after you hit me off. This is just typical getting the pendulum swinging. Oh, no, it's our friend that was pushing us is now pushing somebody else. You know, it's not... You don't drive by touch, I don't think. Anyway, there he is again. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Somebody hit him. Here he is again, getting it wrong on the grass. Oh dear, it's all going wrong for him. Yeah, like I say, I don't feel sorry for you, mate, because you took me out. And then what have we got here? Just getting it wrong. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they don't move. And that was it. My God, what a race. Okay, well, let's have a look at the results. I'm pretty sure my safety rating would have taken a bit of a battering, but maybe I got a few I-rating points. Let's have a look. Okay. Yeah, lost some safety rating, gained some I-rating. Fastest lap, 51 flat, pretty much. No one else beat that. I got a 53 flat, so 2 seconds off, but I couldn't do sort of low 52s. I can't do a 51. I can do low 52, so I think the car must have had a bit of damage by the end of that race. Yeah, there's our pole sitter. He disconnected by the looks of it, and there was our other friend. Can't see him. Nico. Yeah, he came 8th, started 7th, so I guess didn't lose too much. Anyway, fun race, top split, would you believe? Out of 8. Yeah, seen better driving in some of the lower splits, but yeah, that was fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.